More.
What's that? What's this?
Okay. Mercury and Venus.
Oh, don't put it out.
Nabuklat niya.
Oh, this.
Uranus and Neptune.
Oh, what about that? Eagle and
Eagle yan. Parrot.
Next.
Wolf and wolf. Yes, it's a wolf. And
Bunny.
good job, Isay. Hop, hop, hop.
Yes.
Nagaya talaga ako nung anak mo. That one is a sheep and good job. What does a sheep say? What about the goat? Galing ah.
This one, what is this? Wow. Tulog pa. Yan.
Ano ba sabihin na alam niyan? Squirrel and raccoon. Good job, Isay. Squirrel and raccoon. Nay. Oh, English ang ano niyan. Tama naman eh. You know, yung sounds ng I say cluck, 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 cluck. Oh, this one is a snake and